immense pleasure to welcome you all to the 4th graduation ceremony of Asian School for Advanced Technology Incorporated. Let us welcome the processional. Graduates Scholar, Aguilar Ana Liza T. Alvaran Myrene D. Azares Benelu J.
Aguilar, dito kayo.
Balhon Ronald B. Balhon Ronald B. Cairo Marvin D. Dangalan Munya. Enriquez Mary Jane R. Henabe Jolina C. Gonzalez Armenda P.
Hindi ko alam.
Inventado Erlin P. Lim Minette Joy M. Monica Sheila S.
Hindi na pala umiikot.
Muhi ka mang may name.
Nemo Nanselu M. Falco Florinda R. Portillo Anthony Joe P. San Miguel Melody R. Sibayan Michael J. O.
Sabihan mo. Sige po tayo.
Sorry.
Dito ka lang.
Portillo Noreen Luis P.
Sumor ka tiya mo na nandiyan eh.
Sibayan Michael J. O. Sulat
Sabihin mo.
Joshua P.
Sabihin mo. Ay! Ay!
Coral Palia Julie Rose C.
Diretso!
Let us welcome the graduates from batch 21.
Sabihin mo dito.
Bio, Rachel M.
Hindi na namin yung iba. Sabihan mo sila ro. Pupunta agad doon yung sponsor ka to.
Now Jeannie S.
Sabay.
Galantok Roslyn M.
Diretso.
Rivera Ellen Jean M. Deloy Rizalin C.
Iniwanan mo yung...
Mariela Michelle T.
Wala na, wala.
Esquera Michael B.
Tago ka lang, tago.
La Torza Mona Lisa A.
Tumihin diretso. Dapat tumihin. Ito sa kabila. Tuloy mo na po.
Ludovice Francia S. Manalo O'Hara J. A.
Ito ma'am. Lara.
Malong Eliza Eunice N.
Dito po ma'am. Diretso po kayo.
Mendoza Flora V.
Doon po sir, sa
Papiri Beverlita O.
Dito. Tira.
Noche Mary Grace G.
Tinakpan mo yung mukha mo.
Relio John Lloyd B.
Parang paalis na. Parang patay na.
Sakdini Danica Noreen A.
Ma'am, dito po. Diretso po.
Soriano Jessica Joyce A.
Sir, dito ka sir. Ma'am, doon. Doon po sa may walang pangalan po.
Valencia Jillian C.
Hindi mo alam mo yung ano mo?
Velarde Irene D.
Basta walang pangalan.
Valerio Crystal L. Velarde Jose Emmanuel Roberto M. Velarde Jose Ronaldo Romeo M.
Sabay yan, sabay.
Villarreal Shannery Ashley D. Let us welcome the graduates from batch 22. Abio Mary Grace D. Angeles Sheila L.
Ilan na lang po kayo.
Barbas Christian B. Baluyot Cyber Glaze R.
Ma'am, dito na lang po.
Mesira Honey D. Kahugira Mary Jane A. Cartojano Martin V. Sima Franca
Tuloy mo, diretso, diretso.
Montañez ENB.
Ma'am, nawawala ka.
Navas, Rachel M. Nones Jovery O. Lugal Chinelo A. Ordonez Maria Carla May Y.
Kaya na dumiretso, ha?
Ordonez Richard Anthony T.
Pangalan nga, hindi namin
Oo nga, oo nga.
Paraino Macy Russell G.
Diretso lang po. Ikot talaga kayo sa dulo.
Paano na lang?
Pesieto Kim Marga A. Poblete Jamie G.
Nandiyan po yung
Hoy, forward muna, forward.
Poblete
Oo, wala na eh.
Joyce G.
Sige po, upuan nyo na lang po yung ano, walang
O sige, upo na lang kayo dyan.
Sabado Mary Gray.
Nawala na tayo eh, sa listahan. Up, tiga. Nakuna mo lahat, Josh. Nakuna mo lahat.
Sige po, upuan nyo na lang po yung ano.
Let us welcome
Hindi ko na lang
the vibrant, competent members of the faculty, hardworking and efficient members of the school administration, our respected and honorable guests of honors, and our candidates. Asian School for Advanced Technology staff, Christine Bahian and Sharon Salvador. Angelica Villanueva. Miss Jennifer Benus. Miss Flor Eliza M. Margamosa, Trainer Hilot Wellness Massage at Nightingale Caregiver and Advanced Technology School Incorporated. Miss Melody D. Nivera. Miss Jonah V. Vacal, Registered Nurse and Certified Risk Adjustment Holder. Miss Emma Ruth C. Cali, Registered Asian School of Advanced Technology Incorporated.
Maraming pansi, ano ah.
Michael O. Mascardo, Chief Operating Officer, Global School of Caregiving and Advanced Technology Incorporated. And Ma'am Concepcion Melody M. Chavez, Chief and Executive. Marcelita O. Mascardo, Board of Directors, St. Martin School of Advanced Technology. Miss Sheila Ann Punzalan and Miss Raquel Naboa. Engineer William D. Villanueva and Maria Socorro Excel M. Villanueva, Chief Executive Officer and Chief everyone to sweet. Please feel free to express your joy and pride in our graduates by offering applause during the program. For best photo opportunities, please refrain from taking pictures until after the conclusion of the ceremony. We promise there will be ample opportunities to capture the memorable moments. This is a much-awaited event in every student's life, as it gives the returns of their efforts throughout their course. Say goodbye to the comfortable and secure life within your classroom walls and get ready to march to the beat of the outside world. Today is a day full of joy, the day about pride and accomplishment. Again, parents, students, members of the administration, respected guests, graduates, welcome to the fourth commencement exercises of Asian School for Advanced Technology Incorporated. Please all stand for our doxology by Ms. Marites Florencio, followed by the entrance of colors and the singing of the Philippine National Anthem and Test the Hymn.
Tanghal! Ta!
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
All united, we answer the test of call. We raise the test, the banner high. With our partners we serve, ever proud and tall. From day to day we strive to address the needs of our labor force. Provide the skills that open doors. Excellence in world-class work. Access to success for everyone. The power of information. Proper values and education. The hands that build the nation. Doing it the test away. Rain or shine, we keep alive the hopes and dreams of workers throughout this land. Doing the best we can, believe we make our stand to be dedicated to the task at hand. The power of information, proper values and education. The hands that build the nation, doing it the test away. To the hands that build the nation, all power to the test away. Long live the test away.
Suksok watawat! Ta! Ulay! Manadan! Kan! Slow! Kan!
You may now all be seated. Talent and skills are the crops that are nurtured, groomed, and given all possible opportunities to grow and bloom. Graduation Day is the celebration of the harvest of this crop.
Pumasok na
To
kanya.
give us a warm
Hindi pa na ako
welcome
na picture
remark,
ko. Kailan?
please clap for Engineer
Kunin mo tanong. Sure, kunin mo yung din ako
William
naman.
Reva, Chief Executive Officer,
Ano sabihan mo?
Asian School for Advanced Technology Incorporated.
Good afternoon, graduates, our staff, trainers, proud families, and honored guests. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. It is both an honor and privilege to stand before you today on such momentous occasion today. We celebrate not only your academic achievement, but also the journey you've traveled to get here. Each of you has shown incredible dedication, perseverance, and passion, qualities that will serve as a foundation of your future success. Bilang CEO, marami akong nakitang mga individual na may talento at kakayahan, ngunit hindi ko kayo may paliwanag kung gaano ko ipinagmamalaki ang bawat isa sa inyo. You are not just graduates. You are the future leaders, innovators, and change makers who will shape the world with your talents and vision. At the end of the chapter, but the start, many more. The world, you are stepping into the full of challenges. Yes, but it also full of opportunities. At times, the road ahead may seem unclear. And there will be the moments when you face setback, but that's okay. Because it's the true challenge that you grow stronger, and it's through overcoming failures that you discover your true potentials. Ang buhay hindi palaging nakakamtan sa madali at mabilis na paraan. There will be ups and downs. But what matters most is that you never stop moving forward. Huwag kayong matakot magkamali sapagkat sa bawat pagkatalo, natututo tayo. It is those lessons that will guide you forward success. May konting kwento ako, no? I've been in OFW for 13 years. Ang natutunan ko sa pagbabar ko, sa marine engineer, retired. No? Sabi nga sa akin ng aking senior, tanggapin nyo lang kung ano yung mga inibigay sa inyo mga suggestion, yung mga senior nyo. Tapos yung mga mali, itapon nyo. Yung tama, kunin nyo. Tapos lagi ilalagay nyo sa isip nyo na, bakit sila kaya nila? Bakit ako hindi? Tama ba ako? Diba? Yun ang dapat lagi nasa isip nyo. Sila kaya nila, bakit ako hindi ko kaya? Kaya yun ang advice ko na sa inyo bilang OFW. So graduates, as you take the next step in your journey, remember that the world needs you. Compassion and courage. Go out there with confidence. Lead with integrity and always strive to make a difference. You have the power to create change, and you are the ones you will inspire others to follow your footsteps. Sa bawat isa sa inyo, dalangin ko ang tagumpay at kaligayahan. Always stay true to your values. Be kind to others, and never stop learning. The road ahead may not always be easy, but know that you are ready. Huwag matakot, mangarap, at laging tandaan na ang tagumpay ay hindi lamang para sa sarili, kundi para sa taong matutulungan ninyo sa inyong pag-abot ng inyong pangarap. Congratulations once again, and I am so excited to see the incredible things that you will accomplish. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay kayong lahat. God bless.
Engineer Villanueva. At this juncture, may I call on Ma'am Jonna V. Vacal, one of the trainers, to present the candidates for graduation, and the confirmation of graduates will be proclaimed by Ms. Emeruth C. Kaling, our school registrar.
Presentation of candidates for graduation. Miss Emilia C. Amparo, Supervising TESDA Specialist of TESDA Provincial Office, Cavite. Engineer William D. Villanueva, Chief Executive Officer of Asian School of Advanced Technology Incorporation. Maria Socorro Asia M. Villanueva, Chief Operating Officer of Asian School of Advanced Technology Incorporation. I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation for the school year 2025 of the Asian School of Advanced Technology Incorporation. Composed of 12 males, may we request to stand, the 12 males. And 60 female graduates in caregiving, elderly, and C2. I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the caregiving with elderly prescribed by the TESDA Technical Education and Skills Development Authority. May I request you to confirm. Confirmation of the graduation.
By the authority vested in me by the Technical Education Skills Development Authority, and having been presented and duly certified by Ms. Genevieve Bacal, our trainer of Asian School of Advanced Technology Incorporation, that you have completed all the requirements prescribed by the Technical Education Skills Development Authority under the qualifications of caregiving, elderly, and C2. I now confirm you graduate for the school year 2025. Congratulations!
Visionary and leader in her field. It is my honor to introduce our guest speakers for today's event. She is the Supervising TESDA Specialist in Technical Education and Skills Development Authority. Parents, students, members of the administration, graduates, everyone, let us give a warm round of applause for Mrs. Emilia C. Amparo.
Good afternoon to each and everyone. First and foremost, I would like to greet the Board of Directors, especially headed by Engineer William Villanueva, Mami Isel Villanueva, and to Mami, siyempre po, it's been my third time acquainted with Mami. And to the rest of the members of the board, to the faculty staff, familiar faces, Simon Floor, and po, to the graduates, to the families of our graduates here present, accompanying our caregivers, the future future caregivers that will help the needies in giving care. Allow me first to greet each one of you since we have more than 60 graduates, no? Female graduates. Today we celebrate the International Women's Month. And Happy Women's Month to each and every one. You are indeed lucky enough that you have your graduation today, celebrating the International Women's Day. Congratulations. All of the women of today possesses qualities that are equally important to men. Huwag pong magtatampo ang mga men. nagkataon lang po, may Women's Day. Kaya nga po ang monthly period ang tawag menstruation. Kasi po, importante rin po kayong mga men sa aming mga kababaihan. Kami po isang beses lang namin sineselebrate ang Women's Day. Pero kayo, weekly, merong Monday. Tama po? May Monday bawat linggo sa bawat buwan at sa bawat taon. So hindi na kailangan i-celebrate kasi laging merong Monday. Tama po? So, ang dami pong nagtatampo bakit may International Women's Day, bakit may Women's Month. Sabi namin, hindi ba dapat kami ang magsabi ng unfair? Kasi sa kalendaryo, doon lang merong Monday. So, araw-araw sa isang linggo, sineselebrate ang araw ng mga kalalaki. So, huwag na magtatampo, ha? So, we stand together at this momentous occasion ng inyong graduation. And today is the culmination of your hard work. It's been more than 6 months, tama po, na kayo ay nagpagod, you have your sacrifices, unwavering decisions, dedication in pursuing your career. And most of you are, meron ng mga nakaabang na trabaho, tama po? And I believe, kaya po pinush ang schedule na to, talagang andyan na yung trabaho, kailangan nyo nang umalis. At syempre, sino ba naman ang hindi hahangarin ang tumuntong sa stage, magbow, suot ang itim na toga? Di po ba? Inaasam-asam ng bawat isa ang magkaroon, maramdaman ang lumakad, umakyat sa stage at magbow para sa graduation. Napaka-importante po sa atin yan. Kasi ito po ang nagpapakita na natapos natin ang ating isang hinahangad, ang magkaroon ng matapos na sa pag-aaral. As caregivers, you are not just celebrating the completion of your course. Instead, you are celebrating the profound impact on how you touch the lives of others. Nung OJT nyo, marami kayong kinaiyak. Diba? O marami kayong iniyakan. Kasi ayaw nyo iwan yung mga pasyente nyo na na-attach kayo. The work of caregivers is not easy. And today, we honor all your tireless love, compassion, and expertise that you have cultivated in your journey to get this point, the graduation time. You have your knowledge and skills. And syempre, yung right attitude. Kami sa TESDA, hindi papayag. You have your KSA. And a caregiver should possess by the help of your own institution, ang ating Asian School of Advanced Technology Incorporation. So sila ang naging instrumento para makamit nyo ang KSA. Your institution work hand in hand with TESDA, and they have been the God's instrument for you to achieve what you have today. Being a caregiver is a noble profession, providing selfless act of love, spending time, offering care, giving comfort and hope to those in need. It is giving a piece of yourself, offering a listening ear, and offering a hand when things in the world feels too heavy. Diba yung mga patient natin, may kanya-kanya yung topa. Diba? May kanya-kanyang mood. Pero tayo mga caregivers, kinakaya natin sabayan sila. Iniintindi nyo sila. Kasi alam nyo na kailangan nila kayo. Kayo ang nagdudugtong ng mga kakulangan na hinahanap nila. And today, in this momentous event of your graduation, we reminisce your experiences, the challenges you have encountered, and the triumphs which have shaped you into a caregiver's what you are now. Your ability and empathy to listen without judgment provides selfless care in both, and it is both an epitome of showing your compassion and professionalism. After this graduation, We must acknowledge the challenges that will still lie ahead. Hindi natatapos sa graduation. So, syempre, magtatrabaho kayo at mas maraming challenges pa kayong kakaharapin. Moving forward, after surpassing the pandemic comes the rise of increasing demand for caregivers. Kaya natutuwa po kami umattend sa mga graduations ng caregivers kasi ibig sabihin po, talagang marami pa rin po ang nangangailangan ng care. At hindi lang po ang Asian ang tumataguyod ng ganitong kurso. Natutuwa po kami sa TESDA Cavite na marami pong existing na caregiver schools at nakakatuwa po na nakakapagpadala ng mga workers abroad. Sabi nga po, iba pa rin ang Pinoy. Ibang magmahal. Kaya po talagang pinipili nila tuwing mga kailangan ng mga caregivers, ang demand po talaga ang hinihingi nila Pinoy. Dahil iba po tayong magmahal. And we believe that it is continuously growing. And comes the responsibility of the training institution, itong ating pong Asian School of Caregivers, to train and produce quality graduates with distinct qualities. You are all products of the quality education as we attest the advocates. And as we attest and entrust the responsibility to the institution producing quality caregivers, we believe that the institution aligns into our advocacy of producing quality technical education and training. The world is continuously changing as we believe. Change is the only constant in this world. We are all aware that there is an increasing case of mental health, aging population, and this gets into the reality that there is an increasing need for compassionate care in every form. Before, caregivers are often undervalued, underappreciated, and underpaid. But now, let us all be happy and feel proud because the profession that you have now, as the world likewise at age sees the importance of your work. Your immeasurable service and enormous patience are worth to be completed with the gratitude of the individuals whose lives you have touched. The tireless days and long periods of duties exhausting your strength provides relief to the patient. So, napakalaking bagay po sa family ng mga may patients na merong kaakibat sila, may kaagapay silang mga caregivers. Kasi kayo po ang nagbibigay sa kanila ng katuparan para mabigyan ng pag-asa na ituloy ang kanilang mga buhay. Giving extended love and care when they feel weak and needed it most restores an individual who sometimes feel they are forgotten. So moving forward, continues this unique Filipino trademark, our remarkable attitude professing compassion and selfless love, giving support and lifting each other's up. Let us give each other a warm applause, and I may request all the caregivers to stand. Most importantly, let us remember why you choose this path in the first place. Because you believe in the power of human connection. And you believe that kindness, empathy, and care can transform lives. So go ahead and spread the light and continue giving hope. As we attest the beliefs with that the KSA that you have with you now will be your greatest shield in your journey for a more challenging path. May you all be leading towards a brighter future, uplifting your family's economic status, elevating your individual financial status. Hayaan niyo pong palitan ko ang meaning ng TESDA. TESDA stands for Technical Education and Skills Development Authority. Pero hayaan niyo po ako i-customize for caregivers. For caregivers, TESDA means truly endures and shows devoted attention. Thinks of empathy and shares demonstrated affection. Tenderly encourages and sympathizes to develop an attitude. So yun ang meaning ng TESDA for caregivers. Cheers to the next chapter of your lives. May it be filled with proper knowledge and skills of bringing compassion, growth, and the right attitude that you are truly making a difference. Once again, congratulations, and may the good Lord bless you all.
Emilia, and may I now request Mr. and Mrs. Villanueva to award our certificate for our guest speaker.
Picture boy.
Alright, again, thank you Mrs. Emilia Amparo for that magnificent message. And ayan, allow me to read the citation po. Alright, Certificate of Appreciation is proudly presented to Ms. Emilia C. Amparo, Supervising PESD Specialist of TESDA Provincial Director, for imparting her valuable insights and inspiration to the trainee of caregiving elderly NC2 as the guest speaker during the 4th commencement exercise with the theme Bagong Kabanata ng Pag-aaruga ng May Malasakit. Given this 8th day of March in the year of the Lord 2025 at Fin Boutique Hotel from Asian School of Advanced Technology Incorporation, Bacoor, Cavite. Signed, Engineer William and Maria Azer Socorro and Villimer. Alright, again, congratulations and thank you, Miss Emilia Amparo. May I request you po, moms and sirs, to please stay on the stage, for we are about to award our medals and certificates to our graduates. I would like to request also Ma'am Emma Ruth Kaling, the graduates, their medals and certificates. Colors. Aguilar Ana Liza T, Best in Elderly Care. Alvaran Myrene D, with honors.
Kuno muna. Siguraduhin mo ah. Yan, right.
Alvaran Myrene D, with honors. Balhon Ronald B, Best in Elderly Care. Cairo Marvin D, Best in
Please, stop po yun. Kuno. Harap.
Dangalan Bunya, with high honors and Best in OJT.
Stop na. Yeah.
Enriquez Mary Jane R, Best highest honors.